What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations. We're actually headed over to the house now. This is after our 9 to 5. This is what we've been doing for the past about a year and a half. It takes about 45 minutes to get to the house. It's around 6 o'clock now. We have about 20 minutes left to go. If you're new to the channel, me and my wife have spent the past 2 years trying to renovate our house. She's actually painting in the back bedrooms. I'm working on the kitchen. We're gonna be putting together more cabinets. And yeah, this is more of a behind the scenes look of what it takes if you're renovating your house, of what it all looks like. So let's get over to the house and see what we can get into.
Oh yeah, Mama. Rama Bio has been delivered.
This is what we have done so far. Let's take a little walkthrough. We're gonna have the island over here, 4-cabinet island, total width 8 foot. 8 foot long, about 4 foot wide cabinets, and then we'll have a sitting area on the back side. You'll have your sink here, and then you'll have we'll have our 30-inch gas stove here, hood. Then on this back side we'll have the fridge, cabinetry over top, and then just base cabinets throughout. I've got about maybe 5 more cabinets to build. Cabinets are turning out great, really easy to build. If you haven't seen that video, I just posted it a couple days ago, so go check that out. But overall, we're just gonna keep continuing on building cabinets. Claire's gonna start painting that back room, and we'll go on from there.
Also, coffee bar. No uppers anywhere. Floor to ceiling cabinets sandwiched with the fridge. Island. Sink overlooking the backyard. Cooking area. They're all drawer base cabinets. Hate Lazy Susans, so we have the blind cabinet over here. So all it is it's just this guy, and I'll have more space to be able to organize what I want in there. Love the blind cabinet. And then it's gonna be stone backsplash wall-ish thing. That's gonna carry over as much as he'll let me carry it over in the island microwave. So, that's it.
So that was Claire. She was providing a nice little kitchen layout just to fill you all in. But I have about 5 or 10 drawers to build. So I'm gonna go ahead and tackle that. Then we'll check in on Claire to see how she's doing painting the master bedroom. Nice built cabinet. Has a nice dovetail finish on the sides. Goes together pretty easily. I went ahead and put in 3 brad nails on the end, kind of tie it all together. This is 1 drawer done. We have about probably 5 more left to go. One trick when you're putting these drawers together is because the dovetail may be too tight to get your hand on. What you can do is you can grab a scrap piece of wood and a hammer and tap it into place once you put that glue on the back side of this drawer. So it should be a nice, smooth finish where you should be able to rub your fingers across it. There shouldn't be anything raised. So we just finished building the drawers. Right now we have about 15 drawers made that are all to the existing cabinets now. I'm leaving them out because it makes it easier to set the actual cabinets, the frame of the cabinets. I hear Claire painting the master bedroom in the back, so let's go check on her. What do we got going on in here?
Either a really good decision or a really big mistake. I'm doing what you're not supposed to do or what it says not to do, but it's all I've got, so we're just gonna do it and hope it looks good. And the chances that this looks really bad are really high at the moment. We're keeping good spirits and we'll see what happens. It's really fun to test that with on really expensive paint. It's a really good decision on my part. Probably should have done more research, but we're here and we'll see what it does.
All right, guys, that's all we got going on for tonight. This is what we do again from 9 to 5. This is our 5 to 9, pretty much every day throughout the weekday. But if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for this kitchen build out. Everything that I build tonight, I'll probably put in over the weekend and just continue to tackle it. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching.